We are walking into IKEA and it's exciting. We're getting stuff for a project, a secret project that I'll tell you about later. And also it's IKEA, so I'm bound to get like 15 things in the $4 section that I don't actually need.
Yep.
It's gonna be great.
Do you eat the meatballs?
I do eat the meatballs. I've never wanted my own bathroom more. And when I see it cute. Do you guys use bathrobes? I know Kim does.
Yes, I do.
I want all of them. This is the bed we're getting for Pearl. Just the bed, not the stuff. So cute.
This way, June, we're going in the back. Our car's in the back. We have successfully made it out of the house to go to my family's Thanksgiving. And there's a lot of them. So
just so many things you provide for us.
hey, June. June.
Okay.
Is that yummy?
Alvin, right here, bud. I got it. You have
It's Monday morning. Nice cool Monday morning. It's like 40 some degrees and we got all the kids. Got the kids in the car and we are headed to drop them off at Brooke's mom's house for childcare today. And then we're going to work. Let's do it.
Good morning.
What do you got back there? Are you under a pile of stuff? What kind of stuff you got back there?
Lovely, blinky, cloudy, and another blinky.
Nice. All right, let's go to Mimi's house.
Yeah!
Whoa. It's so small and so cute.
I know, it's like a croissant.
Wait, does that flip screen? Oh, I look so good. Oh, I do need to check my hair.
Yeah.
There we go.
Any message for the viewers? Guys, this is Matt. If you ever hear me talk about Matt or Mark, this is him. Live
I don't have
each
anything.
moment like it's a moment.
Yeah.
Oh, smart.
Live in the moment.
In the moment,
But
for
not
the
of the
moment.
moment.
Got it. What's up, bro? What's up, girl?
I always think he's playing video games.
Oh, what are we in the jungle or something?
Is this MTV Cribs?
I made it!
I made it!
Show us your crib, Mary.
What's up? Welcome! This is my area where I put my purse. This is where I put my coat. Right here on this hook.
First box for Black Friday release just showed up. Ooh, unexpected. It's hats. Which I'll put it on, but I look so bad in hats, especially this type of hat. It says be brave. When are we going to play baseball, Pa? Huh?
I'll put it on. If it's not too small.
Switchy.
Ooh. I love these hats. I have the one that says, I don't know, something else, and I wear it all the time.
Love it. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, I see you, bro. Okay, very cool.
That way it'll auto adjust its exposure.
But you can then tap,
but you can
like if you
tap
want to
on our
focus
faces.
on our face.
Oh,
Like,
this is sick.
All right, we are going to take some pictures for our Instagram. And supply is right in front of this giant feed and like supply store. And Brooke loves the cement containers that they hold their molds in. So we walk out here quite often to take pictures. This camera doesn't have a battery in it. Hold, please.
He face plants into the rubble. My sweatshirt.
I got it!
Watch out.
I'm legit out of breath.
Yeah.
Are you kind of thinking that?
Yes. Yep.
Are you kind of thinking that?
Yes. Yep.
All right, look over at Matt. And then look down like that, but look down like over here, a little bit up. And then look right here and smile. Now like lean forward and laugh. And then lean forward and like laugh.
Over there.
That like towards the sign over there. Ready, set, go. And then just like
Life
look.
is so funny.
Yep. Smile. Yeah, smirk smile. Oh yeah, girl. Yeah. You know how we do. Now hold it with this hand so I can get the hat and double embroidery. I just tried to take my glasses off my face and they're already off my face. Look down like right here, but like lower. Yeah. Perfect. Wanna look at those?
Ooh, yeah.
Hey Matt, just get this real quick. Parkour! Oh, filming our shadows. Cool music video. It's my buddy Cody.
What's up?
Famous YouTuber. And he was here just, I mean, you are now. That's crazy.
Famous YouTuber.
Yeah, like
All right.
semi-famous.
Let's
just go quasi-famous.
Let's just call me a YouTuber. All right, how about that?
And he's here just giving us some tips and tricks on YouTube because we're like small potatoes on YouTube.
You know what I want to get you to say?
What?
I want you to get to say that thing on my vlog about that thing that you just said.
Lately, I've been feeling. I feel like 2018 has been just sort of an interesting year for us in general, and I've been learning a lot of lessons as when things get interesting, you start to learn new things about yourself. And one thing that I'm really understanding and really learning lately is the word expectations, and to have realistic expectations of what's going to happen in your day or in your week or in your month or whatever. And so I told Brooke on Saturday went to IKEA with her sister-in-law Kelsey, and she was going to record it, but the battery died. New camera, still getting used to it. And I had the kids all day, which I've done before, and the difference this time was, okay, so sometimes you go into your weekend, and if you're gonna watch your kids or have something that's not relaxing, you sort of think like, that's time away from relaxing, I'm gonna try to sneak my relaxation in. And normally that would have been my attitude when I had kids, like maybe if I can get them down for the nap, then I will be able to like spend a few minutes on the couch or just relax a little bit. And I sort of orient the day around what I needed instead of what to actually expect from the day, which is going to be a full day of kids and feeding and lunch and snacks and all that kind of stuff. And so on Saturday, I had sort of this realistic expectation, like this day is going to be busy, it's going to be full, it's going to be active, it's going to be a ton of fun. I am not expecting any rest. And then I leaned into it. And so instead of like when they actually did nap for like 30 minutes at the same time, instead of being like, okay, now it's my time, I decided just to lean into the busyness of the day and use that time to clean and to get some stuff down around the house so that when Brooke got home, her relaxing day could continue instead of like leaving the house in chaos. And then Brooke comes home, and like a lot of times when your significant other comes home, your husband or wife comes home, and you've had the kids all day, you sort of just are like, here you go, take them, I'm tired. And it's sometimes hard to transition for that. So instead of just like trying to do that, I was like, I'm just gonna lean into this day, have realistic expectations that it's gonna be a busy, full day, and then I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna get everything ready. And so Brooke came home and she's like, oh, that the whole downstairs was clean. I had both kids sitting down, they were eating dinner, and she was just like, what happened? And not that I'm like usually like a slob or anything, but it was an easier day for me because I didn't feel like I was always wanting this thing that there was no way I was gonna get. I was expecting the day to be what it was. And so my challenge for you today is to, or this week or whatever, I don't know what we're doing with these videos, is to have realistic expectations about your day, your week, or your month, and then lean into them. So if you're gonna have a full, busy, active month, lean into that and like make the most out of it. If you can have a relaxing day, lean into it and like totally relax. Turn off your phone, turn off your computer. But having realistic expectations has been one of the most valuable lessons that I've learned this year. And the more that we can learn it, the less our lives will feel like, because we'll know what's coming and we'll have realistic expectations. It just makes it easier to deal with life. So that's it. See you.